Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change your character in Call of Duty Mobile. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Call of Duty application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Call of Duty if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So there's a lot going on, as you can see. In the top left corner, we have your profile, and your achievements. In the bottom left corner, we have the store. In the top right corner, we have your settings and the start button in the bottom right corner. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your character in Call of Duty Mobile. So first of all, launch the game on your device, as I told you in the start of the video. And then tap on the loadout button at the bottom of the screen. So you have the loadout here. After you have done that, select the Special Ops box. So when you go and click on the Special Ops box, after that, you will need to go and click on interface. A list of available characters will appear. Tap on the character you want to use. Click on the Customize button on the right hand side of the screen, and tap on Equip button to select and use the character. You can unlock new characters by leveling up your XP or purchasing them from the in-game store. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.